This is section 8.4, day 2. I'm just going to do one more math induction proof for you. We did all the rules in the previous lesson, so I'm just going to jump right in. The first one is show that n equals 1 works. So I'm going to take the formula bit, and I'm going to go 1 squared equals 1 times 1 plus 1, 2 times 1 plus 1 all over 6. So I've got a 1 squared, which is 1. Over here I've got a 1 times 2 times 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3 over 6. So this will end up being 6 over 6, so I got a 1 equals 1. Did that. So we're going to assume that n equals k is going to work. 1 squared, 2 squared, 3 squared, all the way up to k squared. And everywhere there is an n, I'm just putting in a k. So you should pause the video at each of these steps and see if you can write out what's going to happen next before you hit play. The next one is prove n equals k. Give it a pause. See if you can write this out before you let the video play. 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared. Everything that we assumed to be true plus the extra. Everywhere there is a k, I am putting a k plus 1. We have a lot of work cut out for us in this one. Oops. All of this is coming out, and that's going in its spot. So k plus 1, 2k plus 1. This guy is k plus 1 squared, so I'm going to write that twice because that's going to remind me that I have to FOIL that. Over here I've got a k plus 1. This is k plus 2. And this guy is 2k plus 2 plus 1, so 2k plus 3, all over 6. Again, odd man out is this guy, so put it over 6 and put a 6 on top. Now they're all common denominators. Start FOILing here. I'm going to do the 2 parentheses first, so 2k squared plus 3k plus 1. And I've got these guys, so k squared plus 2k plus 1. And everybody's over 6. Over here, just put 2 of them together. It doesn't matter which 2 you start with. K squared plus 3k plus 2. And then I've got the 2k plus 3. Here comes our big FOILing. Oops, sorry. This side's distributing. That side's going to be the FOIL. So putting this in here, I get 2k cubed, 3k squared, and a k. 6k squared, 12k, and 6. Over here, when you start to FOIL a 3 by a 2, I highly suggest you start drawing those lines, those arcs that you did when you first learned how to FOIL. So you keep track of what did already get multiplied and what hasn't been. So k squared times 2k will be 2k cubed. Times 3 will be 3k squared. 6k squared. 9k. 4k, and 6. Now just rearrange and add like terms, and hopefully the left side looks like the right. So 2k cubed, I got a squared and a squared for 9. I've got a 1k here and 12 there, makes 13, and a 6. This side I got my 2k cubed, so far so good. I've got a 3k squared and a 6k squared, that makes 9. I've got 9k and 4k, that makes 13, and plus 6. So I matched this side to that one. This is the toughest step for kids right there. Taking out the assumed stuff, putting the above line in for it, and getting all those k plus 1s in the right spot.